Right, boys, you're all here. Today, this is my fucking wedding day.
Yeah, and you said there'd be no bloody uniforms.
Nevertheless, John, despite the bad blood, I'll have none of it on my carpet. Now, for Grace's sake, nothing will go wrong. Those bastards out there are her family. And if you fuckers do anything to embarrass her, your kin, your cousins, your horses, your fucking kids, you do anything
Tom.
to... What?
What about Snar?
Yeah, they're women of sports, I'll say that.
No. 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 No cocaine. No cocaine. No sports. No selling fortunes. No racing. No fucking sucking petrol out of their fucking cars. And you, Charlie, stop spinning yarns about me, eh?
Oh, I'm just trying to sell you to them, Tom.
But the main thing is, you bunch of fuckers, despite the provocation from the cavalry, no fighting. Right? No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting! Good. Get the fucking